How to create a Kik account. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you create a new account on Kik. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open a browser on your system. Alright, after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Kik.com. Alright, after you come on this official site of Kik, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to click on sign up just at the top right corner. Alright, so from the sign up section, you'll have to just provide your email, your birthday, your username, and as usual, your password. And after you done it, you'll have to click on sign up here. Alright, after you give the email, birthday, username, and your password, click on sign up. Alright, after you're done from there, you'll have to just check your email for the verification code that you will receive on that email ID. So simply open the Gmail on your system here. Alright, after you open Gmail, you will get that verification code. So simply you'll have to just enter that verification code on here. Alright, after you enter it, you will be able to verify your account through the Gmail. And after you done it, you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom. Alright, after you scroll down at the bottom, click on I accept. Okay, as you can see, here is the welcome message from Kik. So I have successfully created my Kik account. Simply click on get started, and from here you can, as usual, click on the option login here, and from here you'll have to just use your credential to be login on your system. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.